Tesla Model 3's integrated dashcam is a crucial safety feature. Learn how to access footage recorded during incidents using both the Tesla Viewer app and USB drive methods. As of January 2026, these are the primary ways to review footage captured by Sentry Mode. We'll cover everything you need to know. The Tesla mobile app offers a convenient way to access your Model 3's dashcam footage remotely. This method streams videos directly from your vehicle's internal storage, allowing you to view clips without physical access to the car. To begin, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your Tesla account credentials. Next, select your Model 3 from the list of vehicles associated with your account. This ensures you're accessing the correct car's data. Navigate to the Controls section, then go to Safety and Security, and finally select Dashcam. This is where all your recorded footage is organized. In the Dashcam section, you can browse all recorded clips. Videos are streamed directly from the car's internal storage, so you'll need a stable internet connection for smooth viewing. As of 2026, the app includes AI-powered tagging features. Look for tags like Incident Detected to quickly find important footage. This makes searching through your clips much easier. Alternatively, use a USB drive. Insert a FAT32 formatted USB drive, at least 64 gigabytes recommended, into the Model 3's USB port. The car automatically saves footage as MP4 files in a Tesla Cam folder. Remove the drive and plug it into a computer to view the footage. Firmware v2025.52 includes automatic encryption, which you can optionally disable. Privacy and legal considerations are crucial when using Tesla dashcam footage. All recordings are encrypted and require proper authentication to access, protecting the data from unauthorized viewing. Additionally, users must be mindful of local laws concerning recording in public spaces. Regulations vary by location and may require consent or restrict certain types of surveillance. Tesla explicitly advises against using dashcam footage for surveillance purposes without obtaining proper consent, as this could infringe on privacy rights. Ultimately, respecting privacy regulations helps prevent legal complications and ensures responsible use of this technology. Common issues when viewing Tesla Model 3 dashcam footage include app connectivity problems and USB formatting errors. For app issues, try resetting Wi-Fi on both your device and vehicle. This can resolve streaming or download failures. For USB formatting errors, if FAT32 doesn't work, try formatting the drive as exFAT instead. This alternative file system often resolves compatibility issues with Tesla's export process. As general tips, always ensure your USB drive is properly formatted before use and keep the Tesla app updated to the latest version for best performance. Keep in mind that Tesla's dashcam is a reactive system, recording only when triggered by motion or impact, not providing continuous proactive monitoring. Looking ahead, Tesla's dashcam system is evolving rapidly with AI and cloud integration. Recent 2025 updates introduced automatic incident detection, powered by onboard AI, which intelligently tags footage for faster review. This extends to predictive analytics that can identify potential hazards, such as suspicious activity near your vehicle. Cloud integration is another major trend. Beta testing in 2025-2026 allows optional cloud uploads, extending footage retention from the current 7 to 10 days to up to 30 days. This addresses the limitation of local storage only. Subscription-based services, potentially around $10 per month, are emerging to provide this extended access. While USB methods for viewing footage remain available, app-based viewing is becoming the preferred option for most users due to its convenience and remote access capabilities. By 2030, experts predict full ecosystem integration, including real-time streaming to emergency services during incidents.